Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change name in Gmail account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your Gmail account. So I'm going to simply click on here. And so I'm going to click on here. So after you open up your Gmail account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to click on Google account. It will take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to personal info. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on name. Take you right here. At this point here, you can simply click on here. Then you have two options, first name and surname. What you need to do is to simply click on here and then enter your first name and enter your surname right here. Then once you are done, simply come down below right here and click on save. And automatically, all the name will be saved in Google account to your Gmail and to your YouTube account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change name in Gmail. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.